Hello everyone, today I will show you how to do the temperature calibration of these 7-inch thermal imaging terminals. And before we do the calibration, please make sure the device has been powered on for 10 to 15 minutes to make sure the device can adapt to this environment. And also, please make sure there is no high brightness, there is no infrared light, or there is no heat to impact the thermal imaging sensor. And also when we do the temperature calibration, please make sure the engineer, the distance between our forehead to the sensor, it is between 0.5 meter to 1 meter. It is the best to do the calibration. So when we do the calibration, please don't move and make sure we are in the same correct position. Also, when we do the temperature calibration, we also need a forehead thermometer to be a reference. Okay, so now my temperature is 36.5 Celsius. So after the 10 to 15 minutes, now we can start to measure our temperature from the 7-inch devices. And now you can find that my temperature is lower than the thermometer I test. So we need to start to do the calibration. So now we have to go to the devices. 666, 888, 68. Okay, first we have to go to the system and we need to set the temperature calibration from mode 3 to mode 1 and save. So after the device power on, we will do the calibration. Okay, after the device power on again, we can go to the platform to start the temperature calibration. And please make sure the temperature calibration mode it is in mode 1. And after we finish the calibration, we have to set it back to mode 3. Because mode 1, it is the engineer mode. And now we have to go to external. And just before, now we go back to test my temperature again. 36.5. But a minute ago, my temperature it is 32 here. So if here the temperature is lower than the thermometer, we have to set this value lower. Maybe now we set to 948 and save. And after power on again, we will need to test the temperature once again. Okay, after we change the value of the temperature emissivity, now we'll test the temperature again. And here show my temperature, it is 35.2. So it means the value already get higher, but it is not accurate. So we need to adjust one more time until the temperature it is similar to the thermometer. Okay, we need to set the value more lower. And the range of the emissivity we suggest is from 850 to 1000. So now we need to save and test again after power on. Okay, after power on again, now you will find that the temperature already close to this thermometer. I will check again. 36.4, 36.5. So the accuracy is more and less 0.3 temperature. So now it is the same. So now we have to go back to the platform. To the UI, system UI, to set the mode from mode 1 back to mode 3 and save. Then we can start using these terminals.